Welcome to Yantra Technologies. In this present video, we are going to learn how to interface the Bluetooth module with an Android app and to control the LED or relay on this IoT trainer kit, and also simultaneously to get the value of temperature which is read using the thermistor on the kit to the mobile phone. So we are using the Bluetooth communication to transfer data from the Arduino to smartphone, and also to give commands to the Arduino from the smartphone using the same Bluetooth. So it's a two-way communication. I repeat, from Arduino through the Bluetooth to the mobile phone, that is one way, and from mobile phone through the Bluetooth to the Arduino, that is the other way. So two type of bidirectional communication we are going to establish with the help of this HC05. For this, you need to have 4 jumper wires which are of male to female type, and you also need a male to male type jumper connectors, three numbers. So 3 numbers of male to male are required, 3 numbers, and male to female another 3. Total actually you have 6 wires required. First of all, we will try to learn how to connect this. We have the code. I will show you the code. First of all, we go with the circuit connections. If you pay attention here in this code which is provided to you, the Bluetooth interfacing with thermistor, that is the code name, and in this code you are going to have first a software serial defined over pin number 2 and 3 of Arduino. Remember, if I define the software serial like this, the first pin, that is 2 in this case, will be the RX for Arduino, and 3 will be the TX for the same Arduino. See, this is with respect to Arduino. It means when you are connecting the pins on the other side of the Bluetooth, the pins get reversed. That is, the 2, which is the receiver of Arduino, will be connected to the transmitter of HC05. అంటే ఆర్డినోలో మీరు రిసీవర్ని HC05లో ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, HC05లో రిసీవర్ని ఏమో ఆర్డినోలో ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, హ్యాండ్ షేకింగ్, రైట్. Also we have defined pin A3. ఇక్కడ థర్మిస్టర్ని కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం. In this point we are going to connect a thermistor, and we are going to get the temperature from the board which we will transmit to the smartphone. And only 3 pins are used, the software serial pins for communication, and A3. Also we if you want, we can connect an LED which is defined over here, the pin 13 is the output. This is the Arduino LED blink. Already onboard pin is LED is there, but if you want, you can connect it from outside also. So these are the 3 pins. If you want to control any relay or any other device, any actuator on this, you can do that with the help of the same circuit and same sketch. Let's go with it. Let's go with the connections one by one. First of all, we start with the Bluetooth communication. So there is a pin named as BTRX and BTTX. Here it is mentioned here, BTRX and BTTX. It is the Bluetooth receiver RX and Bluetooth transmitter TX. These 2 pins must be connected to the Arduino pins according to the description given now. So what I will do is, first I will take this particular pin which is connected to Arduino 2. So Arduino's digital pin 2 and Arduino's digital pin 3 we are using. So let me confirm. You can see these 2 are connected to D2 and D3. You can clearly see here D2 and D3. So from D2 to D3, the first one is D2. D2 is the RX for Arduino. The RX must be connected to the TX. TX means the second pin here, not the first one. The second pin is the TX, and vice versa. Similarly, the transmitter of the Arduino must be connected to the receiver of this, which is the first pin. So we have connected it like this. Now Bluetooth communication is established. It means the Bluetooth is now able to send the data to Arduino. And if you want to control the LED, you take another male to male connector jumper wire. So as usual, we are controlling on pin 13. So pin 13, I have connected one LED, one connector, and another side I am connecting it to onboard another LED. Here this time I am using the second LED. So LED 2. It's up to you to use whichever LED you like. Now this connection is established, and if you want to control a relay, then you need to connect the pins of the relay also. I'll show you that. On the relay you will find the first pin as ground, G and D. So take a female to male jumper wire and connect it to ground. So I am taking a female side of the jumper wire, I am connecting it to ground. So the other end of this, so it is a male to female. Actually I have joined 2 male to male and 2 female to female. If you have male to female, you can directly use it. So this I am directly connecting it to ground. See, you will find lot of grounds here on the board, so you can choose any of the ground. All grounds are identical. Now I am connecting it to ground, and there is one more pin on the relay which is mentioned as VCC. So the last pin here, which is VCC, so that VCC is connected to one pin, and another end of the VCC also I am using VCC here. See here, there is a VCC marking 5 volt, so you can plug it here. Now it got connected. And one more thing which is connected here is to any of the inputs. There are 2 inputs on this. You can use one input. I am using the first one. And remember, this is an active low relay, so whenever the signal is high, it won't be on. Whenever the signal is low, it will be on. So when I connect this to any of the pin, first I'll show it with LED, later I'll change it to the relay. So let's go with relay. Let's go with LED first. So we'll try to upload the code now. Now every connection is over. Let us upload the code. So as usual, first choose the tools, Arduino Nano, ATmega 328P and COM4, and try to hit upload, and make sure that your COM are closed. Now it's on. Let me close it. So it's uploading and done. So it's done uploading. Now it is sending the serial data. Let us try to establish Bluetooth communication. Now I'll show you a smartphone. This is the phone in which I have installed a Bluetooth app called Bluetooth terminal. I'll show you that later. So in this phone, my Bluetooth is on, and here I'll find a rarely used devices too. I'll check here. It's not available now. See, there is another device named HC05. I think you can see. If at all it is not visible to you, you just go to rarely used devices, but it is already visible. So I'll use HC05. It asks me for pairing. See, the default pairing code is 1234. Unless you change it, it will be 1234 only. And then click OK. So it will be paired. After pairing, you just go to the Bluetooth terminal. Where will you get this Bluetooth terminal? I'll show you how you get the Bluetooth terminal. Just go to Play Store in Google. In Google, if you go to Play Store and type Bluetooth terminal HC05, you will find the first app, which is the free one, not the pro one. Please use this. If you want to use pro, you have to pay something. See, this is free. Just you install this app in your smartphone, and then I'll show you how it works. I have my mobile in which the Bluetooth terminal is there. So I'll type terminal. So Bluetooth terminal app is there. So this is what you get here. See, already my HC05 got paired, so I can see the number. This is the MAC ID. The number will be different for different devices. On our kit, you can see this number is already marked. It is 98 and last number is C4. You can see here, it is marked here, it is 98 and the last number is C4. So we have written the MAC ID of that particular Bluetooth on the kit provided here. Now you can just click on this and the Bluetooth terminal gets connected. You can see it is sending some number, 24 degrees something Celsius. It is actually the temperature of the room now. So it is sending the temperature of it. No, sorry, it's a garbage actually. We have not yet connected. I forgot to connect one more connection. Let me do that. So I'll take one more here. So if you don't connect it, you get some garbage. It's actually hot. I'm surprised to see to 24 degrees Celsius. I have not yet connected this. So I'll connect this here. See, we have got the thermistor here. In the kit provided to you, you have a thermistor pin. I think you can see here, this is the thermistor, right? So this thermistor Here it is thermistor. There is a connector here, female connector. Of course, male connector, you have to connect it a female. Then on the other side, as we have mentioned, it is A3, so we will plug it in A3. Done. Now we can see the corresponding values. I think it's around 30 degrees or so. You can see the last ones. It is showing 35.19. The room is quite hot, so it is 35 degrees, which is the temperature of the room. And you can clearly see by just changing the connection. If I remove this plug, if I remove this plug, you can see instantaneously the temperature will give you some garbage. So it's giving 24 once again, means it's a garbage. And once again, if I plug it back to this thermistor, it starts taking the readings, and you can see now it's once again established to 35.34. So it is now sending the data. This is one direction. And if you want to control an LED, let me show you. On the same, you will find ASCII. So here you can type in something. According to the syllabus, whenever you type a 0, the LED must be off on the board. Let us send ASCII. The LED will be off. And whenever I press 1, you see the green LED will be on. You can see this. The green LED is on. And once again, I'll show you by simultaneously sending 0. I will switch off this. Now I am sending 0. You can see the LED is off. And whenever I send 1, it is on. So in this way, you can send the data using Bluetooth. Also, you can get the data from the Arduino using the same Bluetooth. So you are establishing a bidirectional communication with the help of this. So this is the experiment performed on the EN3 Technologies kit. If at all you want this kit, you can order it. The link is in the description. Thank you.